The F4E4 error code on a Whirlpool dryer indicates a home supply voltage error, which occurs when there is low or no voltage. This issue can be caused by a number of factors, including incorrect installation of power supply cords, damaged wires, a tripped circuit breaker, or low voltage. To fix this error, it is essential to inspect the power supply cord and ensure it has been installed correctly, checking for any damaged or loose wires. The installation guide should be consulted for correct wire installation. The dryer should be unplugged from the socket, and the power supply cord should be inserted through the strain relief, with the terminal screws tightened to secure the wires. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to increase the voltage, which can be done by consulting an electrician to set the meter to 240 volts for regular dryer operation. Additionally, the circuit breakers should be inspected to ensure they have not tripped, and if one has, it should be reset. A power cycle can also be performed by switching off the circuit breaker for a minute, then switching on the power supply unit and starting a time dry cycle to see if the error has cleared.